how to change the lock screen on your Samsung Galaxy or Samsung device. Oh, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also using Samsung device just like me, then you can easily change your lock screen by simply heading over to any of your photos inside of a gallery. So let me just quickly select any of the photos inside my gallery. So let's say I want to select this photo as my lock screen. So in that case, what I will do is just click on this hamburger or three dot icon over here at the top right corner and just click on set as wallpaper, and it will show me different options like lock screen wallpaper, home screen wallpaper, and so on. So I'll just click on this lock screen wallpaper, and it should ask me to adjust my photo accordingly, and it will also give me a widgets or themes like of the text of my digits, numbers, just like that. And once I'm satisfied with my positioning of my wallpaper, I'll just click on done, and it should be successfully set it up as my lock screen wallpaper. So that is exactly how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.